fix missing or disappeared files and folders on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your files are missing or disappeared on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to check your recycle bin. If you have by mistake deleted your files, and it will be directly goes to the recycle bin. Just check your recycle bin. If you are not seeing any files in recycle bin, then what you have to do, you have to check whether your files got hidden or not. For that you have to open your file explorer. After opening the file explorer, in this you will find three dots. Click on this and click on option. In option you have to click on view tab. Here, if in your PC it is selected as don't show hidden files and folders, you have to just select show hidden and files and folders, and you have to uncheck all these three options. You have to just remove this tick mark. After removing all these three tick mark, just click on apply, then click OK. Now you will find your files and folders where you had kept before. That's it guys. So this way you can fix missing or disappeared files and folders on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.